Hello. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review over Edpuzzle and PlayPosit. We're going to just start with Edpuzzle. I'm just going to kind of give a brief overview of how to use it. So I've been using Edpuzzle for a long time, probably since like 8th grade or 7th grade. So I'm like was kind of used to it, but it was really nice this week to just be able to like make the video my own. Just because obviously in school I've always just gotten the link and stuff. So basically with Edpuzzle, how you like make your own video, like how we did this week, is you add content and I think the easiest way is either uploading or pasting the URL. So I'm just gonna paste it. And here it is right here. So you can do a cut, like if you only want half of the video, or you could do a voiceover, just kind of depending on the video, and you can do questions. You can do multiple choice, open-ended, or no. No is just probably good, like, hey, this is gonna be on the test. Hey, remember this for next week. So I think that's a pretty good resource for this website. So there's that. And then for Edpuzzle, they do have a lot of pre-made videos, which I think are nice for a lot of subjects and a lot of grade levels, different countries, and different sources, either Edpuzzle hosted or YouTube. And you do have to make an account like every other website, and you can have your classes right here. And these are Edpuzzle originals for some subjects. And then for PlayPosit, it's like kind of the same thing, realistically. It's the same thought. So you have the pre-made bulbs right here, just like how Edpuzzle did. You have your classes, your folder, your bulbs, activity feed, and then your account. So my bulbs, this was the video that I made for this week for the assignment. So just like Edpuzzle, you press add new bulb. They do have some more options. You can record it yourself and add stopping points. You can do URL, upload your own video, YouTube. So I'm just going to upload my link, just like the last one I used for Edpuzzle. And you're going to press done. And then you're going to say if you want to add something right here, you can add an interaction. And you can, what I like about PlayPosit is they do have a lot of different options. Rather than Edpuzzle, it's really only like 2 or 3, but this has multiple choice, poll, discussion, web embedded, table of contents, vocabulary. So there's honestly a lot more resources on PlayPosit. But yeah, so basically, the difference in the tools I feel like just are the available resources, kind of the difference what I just said about how Edpuzzle only has open-ended multiple choice and note, and PlayPosit has a lot of them. The features I liked for Edpuzzle, I liked their pre-made videos that I showed right here. And for PlayPosit, I liked the resources when you actually do an interaction for the video. Easier to navigate, I would probably say PlayPosit, just because personally I get stressed out a lot. So with PlayPosit, you're not really going to get stressed out because you have a lot of different options for the questions for learning disabilities or IEP, or you're just more inclusive, I feel like, through PlayPosit. Provided more resources. As for like pre-made videos, I would say Edpuzzle, because I just feel like they're just more organized and kind of easier to see rather than PlayPosit. The one I would probably recommend PlayPosit. This was my first time ever getting on it, but they just have a lot more like resources. Like I said, regarding the questions and stuff, there's a lot of different choices. But Edpuzzle is good, kind of for the like pre-made videos, and Edpuzzle is just a really good website if you just have a video, you just want to put in some questions, maybe if there's a sub, or it's just it. Edpuzzle is reliable, but PlayPosit, in my opinion, is more creative. So that's my review on Edpuzzle and PlayPosit. Thank you.